Hey guys, so this video is going to be a little spread out from different clips and stuff, but I'm going to be showing you around the farm, a tour, a day in the life around the farm, and also like some of the people, roomies, you can see some behind me, the people that live here in the community and whatnot. So yeah, enjoy. What's up guys? It's Kat. Right now, Donald's making some breakfast. You making breakfast or are you cleaning?
I cooked an egg.
Oh, he cooked an egg.
There was only one. I'm gonna go get more though.
We're gonna go get more eggs out of the hen house. But I wanted to show you guys the day in the life at the farm, community farm that I'm living at currently. Well, we are living at currently. And I made a smoothie for breakfast. It has vanilla protein powder and it's the vegan one. I think it's, what, do you know what brand? It's like the Bob Miller one?
I don't know.
Something. But it has also pineapple, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, and oats, and chia seeds. So yeah. But yeah. So that's what we're doing right now. So we'll see you in the hen house. Hen house, hen house. Yeah.
Hey, Murphy.
Haha.
Stay with me.
We have chickens. There's baby chickens. Chicks. I think my favorites are the little like blondish ones. Like the one in the corner. Oh, silly chickens. Murphy! Say hi! It's our housemate's dog, Murphy. Ow!
Yeah,
My foot still hurts from yesterday.
Yeah, this one's kind of creative.
Oh my goodness, I haven't been in here.
Yeah. So she has
She's
their
the one.
eggs. She has eggs. Yeah, that she gets to keep. Those are all marked with an X. Dude, that chicken stared into my soul like I see what you're doing. Oh, they're giving me dirty looks.
Uh-oh. I don't eat the eggs, but I don't really, like, frown upon what they're doing here because these are free-range chickens. They also get to go outside of this gate, too, so they go all the way around out here. They get to go everywhere. These are guinea fowl. Guinea fowl are really weird birds, but they're really funny to watch. So they just kind of keep them around for comedy. But, yeah, they eat the eggs, but they also, let the chicken keep some of the eggs, too. Like the hen that's sitting on a whole batch of eggs. This is, like, how chickens should live. Not in, like, a bunch of cages and with only, like, less than a square foot apart to spread their wings, you know? So they get to come all the way out here too. They don't just stay in there like I said, but right now they're kind of just hanging out. You can see the gate was already open over there. He's waiting for us to go on a walk with him. He's just crying.
But we have to show you.
We have to show you the goats.
This
is the only one that I can't remember his name. Hello, baby. He's actually full grown, but he's adorable. I think he's full grown, right? Because Phyllis is full grown. Because this is Phyllis. And Phyllis is an old lady, but she's very fat. She's not pregnant.
No.
Sometimes we think she's pregnant, but she's not.
This Bert. Bert is the little asshole.
Yeah,
He likes to chew on and headbutt everybody.
Yeah, he likes to headbutt and be a little dick, but he's actually really sweet. He's a troublemaker. chicken. Chickens.
One of my favorites
This
is Mavis.
Mavis.
She's pregnant.
Mavis is pregnant. Wait, Tina.
And
Tina is about to have babies. This is Tina that Donald's petting. Hi, Mavis. Mavis is really sweet. She loves to be pet. Mavis. Tina, when you gonna pop them babies out? We thought she was gonna be due a few days ago now. We thought she'd already have them born, but she's holding them in.
oh, look at Bert.
Oh, what are you doing with Phyllis? Oh, Bert's loving on Phyllis. So cute. And this is Dee Dee. Dee Dee likes to eat rocks sometimes. Dee Dee's a little funny. She's like the dodo of the goats. But she's really nice. She's really shy at first, but now she's like starting to be more open. Hey, Dee Dee. Come on, Murphy. Murphy, walk. The goats like to follow us up the hill, like they're about to do. They always follow us. So this is the first house, the main house. There's some neighbors that live up in this house right here. And then that's one of our housemates, Sarah. She stays up here. And that's where all the starter plants go in the greenhouse. There's a little like pond from all the rain. But this is pretty much where everybody parks their cars, and there's like
a workshop.
Workshop inside there, but we're not really gonna like show that. So this is my roomie.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the other Sarah, not the one who owns the farm.
Would you like to tell us where you're from?
I'm from Connecticut, but I've been traveling for the last couple of years. I've been living in Alaska, Montana, and just came up from Colorado.
Right. How long have you been staying here at Turning Earth Farms?
I've been here a couple weeks, just helping out around here, Turning Earth Farms.
What's your favorite thing about here?
I mean, I love how many people I've met who also are like fellow travelers and whatnot, and I love the community and like how accepting everyone is, and I also love like how much time I get to spend with animals, like the baby goats that we got to see last night, and the dogs. I love playing with the dogs and the chickens. They're so funny, and everyone hates the guinea fowls, but I love them because they're hilarious. So
yeah, and
I love the guinea fowls.
You also play this instrument.
Yes, I play the hand pan. I just got this recently. This is something I've been learning to play. It's fun.
Yeah. Right, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I'll take you down into
Maybe
the
so you gonna follow us back down?
Yes, she is. Well,
Whoa. She's definitely waddling a little. Looks like it. Tina, when those babies coming? You can see her babies move. Looks like one's poking out right there. Your baby in there. Got babies in there. We have a bet. Either.
You see them? You see that?
Yeah, her baby's right there. Oh gosh. Bert.
Bird.
Bert.
What?
You don't gotta smell Mavis's pee. Alright. Hello, chickens. Silly chickens.
This one's like probably my favorite though. It's got the cool hairdo.
They're so funny. I think the guinea fowl are hilarious. You can hear them right now. That's the guinea fowl noise. They always be like going on top of these posts and on top of the roof of the house. Well, we're getting a new roommate today.
So like, there's average.
Well, housemate.
I guess they
'cause we
say
don't
there's
share
an
rooms.
average about 6 to 10 to 15 plus people here on a daily basis.
Yeah. So up here, this is their woods and the garden. Got it in the video. Fit for me. Compost pile. So this is the garden. And we whacked all of the clovers down and put compost on top of the beds so we can create nitrogen for plants. Hi Murphy! Hello! Are you here to roll around in compost? Hi! And then over here is the hoop house. That's the greenhouse. Alright, so here's a little peek into the greenhouse. We got a bunch of veggies in here growing. And beautiful greens. Lots of beets that are ready to be pulled out. Tomatoes blossoming. Oh, a lot of little sprouted different types of vegetables, carrots and chard and squash and all that stuff. More tomatoes. It's very cool. And Sarah, the lady who runs Turning Earth Farms, has done this hoop house mostly. You can see that's her flannel right there. She spends a lot of time in here and around the garden. She loves gardening, so yeah. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys around the woods, so we're going to walk through here and look around. So this is the treehouse, and it's actually suspended by cords, really strong cords. Yeah, sometimes people rent this out and stay in, so we're not gonna walk in there, but it is really nice. It's cool. It's got 2 stories. They're working on the top story. But overall, it's pretty much finished. Over there's music festivals that they have out here, and people come and camp. These are pretty much campgrounds. There's like fire pits and stuff, and it's really nice, soft, mossy ground. So it's really great for camping. It's beautiful out here. There's the compost toilets.
It's supposed to be like 2 of them, sliding doors, you know, steps up. But yeah, it was just like a base when I first got here. I've only helped a little bit. Just cut some of the boards and help him hold them.
Yeah, he's gotten a lot done.
I mean,
Don's like, he's the man for building shit. See, there's a little like fire pit and stuff. There's, you know, different areas. This is like a whole camp area right here. Sticks, like divide them up. Bark hacking. It's a tough piece, huh?
well, you gotta kind of.
Got this bad boy. These 2 or 3 bad boys.
We're carrying chickens. Nancy Coop did this 3 nights ago, and we're still doing it with a few more.
You can't really see them.
Moving. Here. Guinea fowl, chicken. Chicky.
So you guys want to explain why we have to hold them upside down?
They turn lifeless.
They turn lifeless.
Pretty much.
Get quiet.
Shit, if you try and hold them upright, they're gonna try and fly away. And then
Yeah.
you get chickens moving around, you lose them.
They don't really have memory of being moved either. They just kind of go to sleep. This doesn't hurt the chickens. They'll be okay. So no worry, anyone. They have 2 coops, one up top and one down here. We move them down here once it's summertime, because when it's not summer, it floods down here in the winter.
You can just like everybody's handing me chickens.
Yeah.
Chicken incoming.
Chicken move.
Over there. One beauty.
One beauty. Oh, hello. Oh, yeah, you got the real.
It's a real beauty, yeah? The second one.
Yeah, you got the one.
Here we go.
Oh, there we go.
Is that all of them?
No, there's 2 more.
Maybe, yeah.
Wasn't there like 6 of them?
Yeah, just let's go check out.
This is my friend.
Colin, come from France, doing a little road trip, 2 months with this big boy, with this bad boy over there. And just had a nice week with Kat, Donald,
Everybody here.
chopping some wood, digging some hole, holding some big chickens. It was a freaking good week.
You guys saw in the video. What's your favorite thing about here?
My favorite thing, the cooker, of course. He cooks so many good plates. Sage, special greeting for him.
Yeah.
And yeah, I wish you the best for your trip.
Thank you.
Send me some good pictures. I'm waiting for you.
Alright. Bye.
See you.